I gotta tell you, I am what they call a fucking idiot. I literally recorded Dr. Mrs. Pipe searing some amazing steak on the cooktop in the kitchen. I literally had the infamous Mrs. Pipe on video with Stoli. Look at this dog. Look at this dog. Stoli! Wow. Wow. Besides the cancer and the radiation that I'm getting from that thing right there, look what all that God has given us. It's tits! So I totally forgot to start recording with the first piece that was residing there. It is now residing half in my stomach and the other half on my plate. Look at that. That is a gorgeous piece of meat. Let me show you what it looks like on my plate.
This side hatch is what is used for initial capsule ingress.
How incredible is it that Elon Musk brought him home? I wish you could do the same about the hostages in Gaza.
From the forward hatch, which is located at the top of the spacecraft under that nose cone.
Beautiful.
So this is a pretty exciting moment.
And in case you're wondering,
And the very first person that will have the opportunity
an espresso martini. Oh my God, now I feel like John Phillips, aka Mr. Sunshine, who eats
that will just help the recovery personnel get a little bit
who
more
eats on camera.
access the crew and help get them out of
By the way, so Johnny Phillips has challenged me to a cage match.
Removing those footrests from all four seats will be helpful as a
I think it would be great for ratings. I really did think it'd be great for ratings.
into the capsule.
I'm just gonna keep it real. Me and Johnny Boy, we're tight. We're like this, right? Like a coupling and another coupling, like a train coupling. Like it can't pull us apart. But I texted him. I was like, Johnny, I think you're off your rocker. And if we were to enter into a cage match, which could be in his backyard because he has this cage around his outdoor pool. It's a white trash pool, kind of in my eyes. It's a shitty pool with a shitty hot tub. There's probably tons of like semen, you know, because Mr. Johnny Phillips is a seaman. He's a retired U.S. Navy seaman. And I told him that if we were to engage, I'm not going to do it to you. Oh, yeah, I am.
As well as, you know, we'll now see that.
Oh, look at this. Biden couldn't bring him home. Biden couldn't bring him home. But Elon Musk, with our commander-in-chief, Donald Trump, here they are, live.
And there you have it. The side hatch is open for the first time since September.
Oh, God. These guys have been living in weightlessness.
Equipment there that was brought into frame that will help protect the edge of the side hatch. One, from any potential damage. Oh, we can see the recovery crew member there taking photos of the side hatch seal. This is part of the standard operation for recovery. These photos will get saved into our procedure. We'll then install that protective frame around the side hatch. This helps to ensure that the side hatch itself, the edges of it incur no damage while crew members are coming out from the spacecraft.
So as I was saying, while we wait for the astronauts
If you missed it,
to disembark the Dragon capsule, compliments of SpaceX.
5 people on board the Dragon spacecraft.
5 people are in there? Oh my God, I'm claustrophobic. I couldn't survive there for more than 20 seconds. I'm not really claustrophobic, but I would love to go to space. Imagine, it's me, Mikey Pipes from space.
And if you are just joining us, it has not yet even been an hour since Crew 9 splashed down off the coast of Tallahassee, Florida at 2:57 p.m. Pacific time.
Oh, it's a beautiful Dragon capsule.
The recovery vessel Megan and
So I told Johnny Phillips that if we were to be in a cage and have a cage match, that I would just literally,
exit the spacecraft, but
just keep it real,
continue to
I would knee him in the nuts.
personnel
I would.
continue to
And he responds that I'll kick you right in the nuts and you'll go down like a sack of coal. I dropped my phone. He responds that I don't have nuts, I'm a lesbian. That explains it all.
We did hear that report out from the commander Nick Hague following splashdown that there were
Here comes the first astronaut after what was supposed to be a 10-day. There he is. God bless. God bless America. And God bless SpaceX and NASA.
We can see folks on board.
Boeing couldn't.
As our first crew member.
There we go.
And that is NASA astronaut Nick Hague, commander of Crew 9. Now out of Crew Dragon Freedom.
Love this guy.
Some smiles.
This guy's a
thumbs up, and
baller.